We're going to make packaged ramen. But the secret is not making it out of the package. It's what you add on top of it that makes it really gourmet ramen. So we've got 2 Tonkotsu pork ramen, which is a refrigerated package of ramen. And we've got Sapporo Ichiban Miso ramen. And now here's the famous cook, Kyoko.
Okay. And the fruit. Open the package
Soup base for the Sapporo Ichiban Miso ramen.
And this one, the tonkotsu.
And the refrigerated Tonkotsu ramen, which is more of a liquid paste. And to each of those, you're going to add hot boiling water later.
After cook noodle,
Mm-hmm.
put that. Okay, this one here. And we have the cashew and the fish cake and the fungus, I guess what they call it in English.
I forget what it's called.
Fungus, but Japanese kikurage.
Kikurage. Okay.
And I soak in a boiled egg in shoyu.
Okay. Which is a nice touch.
And we have the bamboo shoot.
Which is what, memmi or something?
Memmi.
Memmi.
Yeah.
Okay.
And now I'm making the negi oil. And we have green onion, quarter cup, and half cup of oil. And really get hot, pour inside the green onion. That's how I make negi oil.
And that makes it a more gourmet ramen.
Put it inside. See the sound?
Mm-hmm.
That's good.
What you wanted is boil really hot. Boil the oil until it's really hot, and then pour it on the sliced green onions. Okay, this is the miso ramen.
Dry noodle.
Dry noodle. And we're doing the noodles separate because they're 2 different kinds.
And if you can find the miso ramen, you can use the top ramen.
Mm-hmm. Okay, here's the other one boiling, getting ready for the refrigerated noodles, which are part of the Tonkotsu ramen.
Refrigerator noodle.
Refrigerated,
Freezer.
frozen,
Yeah.
and allowed to thaw a little.
Yeah.
And those are the moist noodles,
Yeah.
again, for Tonkotsu ramen. You only cook each of these for how long? About 3 minutes or so?
No, about 5 minutes.
That long?
Yeah.
Wow.
This one about 5 minutes.
Mm.
Dry noodle about 5 minutes.
Mm.
And this one about 5 minutes. Yeah.
Okay, the way you make the eggs is you boil them normally, hard-boiled egg, and then you pour the soup base, tsuyu, which is pictured here, mensuyu, and you put it into a container and let them soak. Overnight, okay, and then they'll end up looking like that. Brown on the outside, normal hard-boiled on the inside. Dry noodles have pretty well cooked. Stir them and separate them a little bit. The other noodles are getting pretty well cooked.
See what different is out and this. About 1 cup.
So into your ramen bowl, you're going to put a cup of water.
Yeah. If you want strong, less hot water. This one too, about 1 cup.
Good rule of thumb is about a cup.
Yeah. And this one still.
Now you're making the broth.
Yeah.
Came in the package.
Okay. And now this one too. Okay.
Tonkotsu ramen. Now here comes the other noodles.
Dry noodle.
Which have
Put them inside here.
and you're going to put basically the same things on top,
Same.
but no tonkatsu or
chashu.
Char siu.
I don't like chashu, so I put that. And I put the shinachiku and green onion.
And there you have miso ramen. 2 styles of ramen from Kyoko's Kitchen. Please subscribe and enjoy.